Rakuten Canada Gift Cards feature. How does it work? Hey everyone, it's Jewel here from Esatino Media, and on this channel we show you how to create profitable content. Alright, so I already created a video on what Rakuten Cashback is. I'll have the video pop up on the screen here, and it will also be in the description below of this video. That video just basically explains what the cashback is, how it works when you're actually purchasing things online, and does it actually work. In this video, I'm going to talk about the gift card shop within the Rakuten website. Alright, so let's head over there now. So this is called the gift card shop within Rakuten, and basically, instead of buying products like you would on the different stores that are listed on the website, you can actually just buy gift cards. So whether you're using them for yourself or if you're giving away gift cards as gifts, you can actually get cash back on gift cards. So it says right here, 1. Buy gift cards from your favorite retailers on Rakuten.ca, earn cash back on those gift cards, and then you get free shipping on the gift cards. So there are digital gift cards and physical gift cards. I'll show you that in a second. So if you scroll down here, they'll have this week's featured gift cards. And this is always changing. Every week the percentages are changing. They'll either go up or down. They're also always adding new stores, new restaurants, new coffee shops, new grocery stores. So every time I go and buy a gift card, I actually check out to see the new stores. So this is what I do when I get to the gift card section. What I like to do is I like to go over here, click on sort by, and instead of alphabetical, I like to go cash back. So when you go sort by cash back, it actually arranges the highest cash back percentages, and then it goes all the way down. So right now the highest is 10 and the lowest is 1. So what I like to do is I like to scroll through and actually look at places that I currently go to often, or if I'm going to go to in the future. For example, here, this Second Cup, that's a coffee shop. If you frequent this coffee shop, if you go to it often, it's in your best interest to buy a Second Cup gift card if you're already going there on the daily. So let me just click on it and show it as an example. So it says that it's usually 3% cash back, but this week it's going to be 6% cash back. And it has usually a little blurb here that says, purchase a Second Cup gift card through the Rakuten gift card shop and earn cash back. So let's say you do go to this coffee shop, you can click shop now, and this is going to come up here. It's showing you that you're going to get 6%. Alright, so it's going to give you a little bit more information on the page here. So the card type, it's showing right now that they're only doing digital gift cards. Some of them offer both digital and physical, and some are only physical. So I prefer the digital since it tends to arrive sooner. You can see here that orders are delivered within 2 business days. The physical one will be sent through physical mail, so it could take up to a week. And you can see here it says 6% cash back. And you can see there's $25, $50, and $100. So let's say that you actually do go to this coffee shop a couple times a week. It's on your way to work or something, or you live next to one, and you want to get $100. You click add to cart. Oh, and before I do that, it says your cash back will be credited to your account within 7 days of purchase. So when I click add to cart, you can see here it's got the little blurb here. It says for this purchase, you'll earn $6 cash back. That's 6% in savings. So you can see that on a $100 gift card, you're going to get $6 cash back. It's basically like free money, because how I use the gift cards is I buy gift cards that I'm already going to the places. So let's say that I do go to Second Cup all the time. I can buy this gift card with my credit card, get points on that, and then get cash back as well. And then it's a win-win situation. So when you're ready to make the purchase, you basically just click checkout now. It's going to ask you to create an account with the gift card shop, and then you just purchase it as normal as you would with any online purchase. And then the cash back is going to show up within 7 days in your Rakuten cashback area. So like I said, what I like to do is I like to come down here and I just like to scroll through and check out all the stores and see, Am I going to be going to one of these stores? For example, Moxie's restaurant, that's a restaurant here. Let's say I knew I was going to have, a dinner with some colleagues or a client, and I knew I was going to have that dinner, next month or something. I would get a gift card for that because I already know I'm going to be going there, so I might as well get 4% cash back. Let's say if you know you're going to purchase something from Roots, or you're going to get new runners from Running Room. Here's actually even in-depth cash back times 2. What you could actually do is use your credit card, get a gift card to the Running Room, get your 4% cash back, then take that gift card that you've got, go to the regular Rakuten website, to the regular stores, use your gift card online, and get another set of cash back. So you're like stacking cash back. Plus you're getting points on your credit card, or if you have a cash back credit card. So you could be potentially getting 3 times the cash back and or, points. I have travel points on my credit card. So you can see here, they've got a wide variety of different stores. I have to say, over the years, they've definitely been adding to this. There's Boston Pizza. That's the Kohl's bookstore, Freshie, like a lot of these places I shop at. The Keg restaurant, I actually got a bunch of gift cards from the Keg because we had my mom's birthday there, and it was a decent amount dinner because we had about 20 people there. So these gift cards really came in handy, and I got cash back on that. So that is the Rakuten gift card shop. I highly recommend it if you're already shopping at these places. And like I mentioned, you can do the double cash back by using these gift cards online to purchase as well through the website. If you would like an extra $30 cash back on top of the current cash back that you're already going to be getting, head down to the description below. I do have an affiliate link if you found this video helpful. If you use that link, you will get an extra $30 on top of your current cash back. The purchases do need to be over $30, so just make note of that. Let me know if you have any questions on this. I'd be happy to answer them. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.